Hello, dear friend, and welcome to our seminar. I would like to ask you a few questions. How happy is your working place? How your team managing the stress? They're losing their mates for home isolation or for no mandates or other reasons. How you, as a leader, dealing with stress yourself, and how do you support others? Don't you feel overwhelmed sometimes? How about your team engagement at work? I'm pretty sure that some of your team members don't feel seen, heard, or valued in their workplace. They don't feel connected, especially now with COVID-19 pandemic at the door for 2 years. I am Oля Yesina. I'm your hostess today. At work, I'm international recruiter, and I was going through stress together with my international team for the last 2 years. One of my employees is in Ukraine right now, and with the war going on, we're all concerned for her well-being. I believe I'm not alone in my concerns for my team. Growing stress resistance and ability to keep yourself and your team happy is a new and urgent need in our community. I certainly believe so. In order to meet this need, I approached international experts in team happiness from New Zealand and all over the world, asking them to give their valued time and share their skills. Some of them are here with us, and they will share their best tools for survival and striving as a team in the trying times. What will be your takeaway from this seminar? You will learn how to raise resilience to stress at the working place, how to grow happiness level and team spirit, how to lead your team effectively. You will learn simple methods to keep yourself calm when it seems that the ground is going from under your feet. You will receive a great boost to productivity and client satisfaction after using free tips and tools from our experts. I am looking forward to meet you on the seminar. It's free. Just fill the forms.